Hey, what's up? Still in Mr. Nation. I let to my players. Welcome to the NayFul podcast. Episode number 17. I am here with Holy Alpha, all the way from Cape Town. She is a musician, a rapper. What else?
Everything. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Right now. Yo. Kunzima ufumaneki. Ufumaneki.
Hayi manje sikisadibana nje mini nje. Kanti sichaza bayisidelela ntwana mini nje. Yebo?
Otherwise grand.
Anti grand njani wena bodi?
Akuhle nakum. So you were telling me bana I would just Holy Alpha is enough for you.
It's just like not my andilthanda igama lam because igama lam means the end. And then like okay Michael, igama lam dung Sanele Alpha Gwabe, right?
Sure.
So it's like andilthanda uthi Sanele man igama lam ajite bekubona ndindoda yabo. Bona like isawe ba sengihlala ndilungisa amaphambili bona ndithi su mara akangumela. No, because like it's very iconic, but they don't understand because it's Sanele. Sanele means the end, so Alpha means the beginning. So I'm the end and the beginning. I'm Jody. I'm Dinizela no guys. I'm creator no guys. Thank you.
Uhlala pick up.
Dingwase Khayelitsha pick up. Yeah, Dingwapa.
Khayelitsha.
Yeah, down to.
You've never went anywhere. You've always been just for a Khayelitsha.
Yeah. I've been there, yo. I bogoni ndaba pa yo antikiwe ngo. Antikiwe ngo. Gabe ukuthi antikiwe baba ukuthi andihlala sikhazi yas. Ndimide sikhazi qondile. Come on. That is why ndichila bakulanga. Ndimide sikhazi qondile nyani.
Okay. When does the journey start for you? Did it start in high school or higher primary or
Yeah. I was in high school. High school yonke lewe. Umna went like
yeah.
I think that is about targeting and mean. The color like in the time, all of the restaurant and your commands because a little church was back then, like then go to high school at that time. But yes, can do commands at the pin. All upon. Okay, you yazi ubandi papa nje ufuna yazi bonke baba nje ngoko.
Sure.
Kanti sinza lo way kokoko and nasekhaya man wonke umuntu on my father's side wonke umuntu untswembu pha endlini I won't lie swembu nje pha ekhaya umuntu akwazi ucula umuntu une voice afuna ke ngilandi ndithathe pha ekhaya icala kakatatam yebo mara yeah man ngicela yonke le biqale high school and ngicela nje we week nje landi yobamela ispaza because like school yaxesha lespaza no underground music so qale pha away yona mamela we iqale pha dog le way because like ngazonke izinto endizenza ndincinci yabo xa khala nomculo eTV so like qale zonke iziqale kwispaza oNicki Minaj because the 2K was so
sure okay
oNicki Minaj olilweni ASAP Rocky like Allah bad bitches that motherfucking those I was la era ke mna
sure
no Khayelitsha su 3 months ka busu yeah de la era mnisuka phandi yabo
okay
so like yaqale kanjalo man. So like yeah, way.
What is it called now? Because back then I was also in Cape Town. It was called Ispas.
Asibi Ispas. Bye. Sikhona sona Ispas simkanga.
Sure.
Sikhona Ispas. Mara senise thina seXhosa lazi ke thina sayiscrew like skrr.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm doing that sign again. Oh, the dance island do say seXhosa lazi abo sayiscrew abo. Senza la bike no, we cannot call it Ispas abo.
Okay.
Because we too cool for that. I'm so sorry, we're young. Let me say we're young.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So we just call it Xhosa trap.
Oh, okay.
Xhosa trap, yeah.
Okay. So, what do you remember the first one? The first song you recorded?
Yo. Okay, so ndaya kutayanga yabo. Yeah, mfethu ngiza name drop afethu. Ndaya kutayanga yabo. Xa ndisekutayanga ndifuna yo record afethu. Yo recorda nje kakuhle like ndifuna le ngoma ye hip hop le ngoma ndibhale. Nayi ne beat.
Sure.
Xa ndifika pha hey utayanga ndirecord is deep house dog. Ingoma yami yokuqala yayi deep house.
Okay.
Ayena hip hop. Ngifuna iziculela lanto ndayenzayo pha because imbi.
Uya rapper pa or
and rapper na yo yazi la ngoma le ithi ujikeleza ingqondo yami.
Yeah. Obethesa vibes.
Ngifuna uthetha ngayo nento enginhle hlaza ngithundi ngicela ukuthangayo futhi interview later yes when ayesa vibes nje ujikeleza ingqondo yami yo lo mjita wathi bandenzela way fethu hayi nami ndayenza because uzawuthini sistudio sakho fethu
Yeah.
siyakunika lento uyifunayo because ngicingele leyo ndicingileyo hayi ndayenza yabo yayingoma yami yokuqala nayirekhodayo and then yaphuma ingoma okay fine then I met these two guys u-Arthur kuthiwa ngu-Arthur noMadala bebe-rap they dope.
Sure.
Okay, let me say they were dope because basa-rapping uyabo.
Okay.
So badibana nami la majita athi bana hayi man Alpha sikuvile man Sanele bayekuse uyaqola yabo ndithi hayi kanjani guys ngixela izinto ba yakube mina benifuna record bona ingoma ye-hip hop but Xhosa kuze pha kutabhiza man ngomsibo sojike lapha kuwe late khona ingoma sifuna ukufaka kuyo yabo.
Okay.
Bajikele ebusuku the following day bajikele ebusuku and then balentuza banikele pay banikele beat bathi bana mamela sifuna ungene kule beat hayi ndamamela le ngoma okay ndabanika okay umoch hey ubona imbi la ngoma kodwa ngingama eqala mana imbi sengifuna uthetha ngayo
So ayo house le uthetha ngayo
ayo house yona le hip hop le ngoma
bhala wena
bhala mna wena you asa
zange wabhalela
sangabhalela I've been doing my like
okay nitswam kanene kowena manje ngikubuza nokubuza
asibuza lonto
yeah so how are you finding East London okanye Eastern Cape because you were in East London and then you traveled?
Yes, I cannot wait to post the videos, the performances.
Okay.
The love that I'm getting from Eastern Cape is crazy.
Okay.
Sanle and I love it, Cape Town. I'm online, so I'm so sorry, guys. I love you.
Yeah.
Mara, dog, the love here.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
By the way, Nancy ayakho.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. So when enjoy ale?
Yeah, but then that one is for us.
Oh wait. I know the life is crazy.
Okay.
And you can't ilindele yonke le way.
Sure. How did it count?
The emotional, but even like, even not izolo. Namhlanje ekuseni yabo ndingcoka nolilita pha to afet emotional gogo. Ndiqhuma ekuseni notshwala buyeza bendlo boyise like ndibabhalaza manje nomvuka boyise we. Hayi man. Yekse. No. I love crazy. Ngifuna ntatsha apha enhlizweni mfethu angikho right. Nako ndifuna ulila but andizulila.
Yeah, I know. Keep it G, keep it G.
Yeah. Nkosini guys, Nkosini Eastern Cape. My God. Yeah.
How did the one in Ngibane come about?
Kuphi kana Ngibane?
It's the first one. Yeah.
You kaloku hayi bondichila mos bazintswembu zonke to. Zintswembu zonke zi.
How did it come about?
Like come about like how did it happen?
Yeah.
Hayi buza manager yami lonto. Nanzi yabona nangu umephala nje.
Yeah.
Yabuza nangu.
Okay, how udibane naye njani manager?
Manager?
Yeah.
So mavela
Yeah.
Sileweza okay nisipana le ex manager yami yabo.
Sure.
Ke umjito ke moch ke sisipane kakuhle nomjito mara kuse animoshi ngewe one.
Okay.
Yabo boy say like bona like at that time I didn't like I don't like to talk a lot sometimes about.
Sure.
So when I was like okay cool unimoshi nomjito ngalewe I was like okay cool afika ukuthi animazi ufike kanjani ufika kanjani mfethu uzophenduka kwani ukwaziphendula ngicela kwa Ace.
Okay.
Yeah, Makaza Festival. Yeah, that's how I met him. Okay. Makaza Festival. And who I am since go Ace. Don't go Ace. They finish shoot music video go Ace. Oh, and Ace okay go like. Teta nangu bani upira. Bani upira mjita ne? Nangu upira. Hana tena upira kavuma. Yo fet. Ntruta kanje fet. Like why? And then like okay moja kavuma that what bana okay man khona event eyenzeka umjita wami apha bo khona event eyenzayo andike namba kamjita ndimtache same time ndimtache ke ndiperform ku event yakhe bo esenze le Makaza Festival yakhe hayi ndimtache ndiperform bangabikho we and then ngokwexeshini like sonke ndaba communicate yabo izewezi njalo and then bendinale manager yami ke uyafika ke ngiyabo space in andizukuname drop uzovela ube famous sorry Aybo.
Yeah.
Into nqena name drop phaka ngoba uzovela ube famous. Okay. Awe.
Yeah.
Then lenduze ke yabo. Okay sebenze nalomjita mara moshe ngoba ekuse umjita athi bantu ku record label yakhe kodwa ngoko record label yakhe chinga record label work. I'm so sorry fethu uzoyibola wena yazi. Chi record label work.
So
but nangoka kakayilungisa into yengoma yami yabo.
Okay.
So I feel like zonke rights zengoma yami uGhost. Ingoma yami eqala ndayenzayo.
Okay.
The birth of Mama Ghost.
Yeah.
Certificate some matric is yeah.
Okay.
This that song.
Sure.
Kakayilungisa nangoko.
Kwenzeka ndo pha kuyo.
Further ndiyazi ba wenza kanjalo way but one la ngoyifaka under ile news record label yakhe.
Oh, sure.
And zanga ndasana niso I was like this is so fucking confusing, dog.
Okay.
How dare you?
So wait, are you in the record label
No.
right now, or you just doing
I
independent?
declare, yeah.
So all those deals that are happening,
Independently, yeah.
Xhosa.
It's called GOD, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing of it.
Would you sign?
I feel like if you didn't, I would.
Okay.
I would.
Okay. Otherwise, you don't have because there's an issue that people have once they taste independence. As a success, you are able to travel outside the province, and then you come back, and then you are a national artist. Abafuni yabo ukusign, but no, I'm doing better on myself. But I know.
I'm not saying good to like say I won't sign. Yeah,
Sure.
Yeah, don't never say that. But like say I can make deals though.
Okay.
Just like I did with Universal.
Sure.
That's how I did it with Def Jam. I didn't sign.
Sure.
I made a deal. Okay. That's what we do. I feel like yes, when it comes to us Xhosa trap, like us Tina, like Kapa, like let me just say talk about like Kapa Tina. I feel like we don't sign.
Oh, sure.
We make deals.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe so you guys kind of.
Which one is in terms of fruits? Which one do you think is better? Is it taking a deal or signing?
Oh, okay, it depends. I feel like yeah, depend between. I feel like it depends on the artist.
Okay.
In food nabantu sebenza nawo.
Sure.
Sebenza nomuntu eyi-one.
Okay.
Not team.
Oh, sure.
Umuntu eyi-one.
Okay.
Hloko yento yonke.
Oh, sure.
Uthemba umjito uthando.
Oh.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, okay.
So like I'm in great hands, dog. Like I'm good on cheating. Like yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It what is the scene like? I was once in Cape Town. Back.
How did you find Cape Town?
No, I grew up there. Estrand.
Oh, oh my god, now suck it.
So back when I was starting out, back when everyone guesses cut is China.
Oh, magic stick.
Yeah,
okay. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay.
That was those times. No. Azange ndibe nayo chance yomazi, but yango China, odangatye, oretex.
Oh, shem zikli izandla zakho. Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
China no retex ngezesikhathi yabo.
Yeah.
We used to like try and have ciphers ngalo maxesha.
Oh. Ukanye Simon ndibukela yabo. Uyojita yabo. Ayidu yabo. Hey, youngster usuka kude dog, I won't lie.
Yeah.
So I host ngo youngster la way.
Oh,
sure. Okay. Abona umjita ichomi ka thand.
Okay.
Into ethetha uthi bana. Sihleka lilito. Sihleka. Uthi lo mjita xa decide. Uthi bana. You said I'm from Eastern Cape? Oh, good. I got your wife on my chest.
Yeah.
No, I got your wife's ass on my chest, and I call you a I come and break a bottle and stab you in the neck, and I call you a pussy neck. Yo. Bro, it was crazy. Yes, I feel like at that time I swipe away. Mara, that's something. Sorry, bro.
I see from your thingy from iTunes the bonus features by Flash kumgani.
Yeah.
Unantsika Redondo.
Yeah.
Dinomdla ngoRedondo ba. How did it come about the Redondo?
Oh no, isuka kula week kaloku ngicabakene he. Ngokuphuma uGhost ndenza ivideo and ndihlemotweni ndisithi barhaba nganya like ngicula ingoma yami bo.
Sure.
Kawe. So like bandipost iDramascape page iDramascape ndapostwa ngabo.
Okay.
And then andiyazi ndimomhitha apho na ibhuda yami kayintona. Andiyazi man but kuseyenze ngehlobo yenzeka ngala bo. And then emva koko hayi ndayenzela ngoma nathi banekuse bura ndinele ngoma inje andiyazi yenza kanje basethi bana andiyazi vele bandincokola njani naye mara Ngicaba hayi man bura yami ngisendena le beat nansi le ngoma yabo.
Okay.
Bro, umjida zanga besokolisa wazi estudio ebusuku nandirecord ebusuku la ngumsobuzo.
Okay.
Wazi ebusuku yabo.
Sure.
Sendicode everything na yami the ready for yena wafika. Wathi bana ngicela unikene insango ba akabhalanga nix.
Okay.
Nikene insango ba wachaya grand. Now iron.
Sure.
Wathi biqale bathini unganibuzi. And yo ayibhala pha you ndabona cheka kanjani uza okay lo mjita userious ngom.
Yeah. So bhalile wena.
Sengibhale oren ngoba yo my god ivese ngose ndichinje pha kula ndawo. Ngithi su Polas walibulala.
Okay.
Dathi jonga ndabulela bhuta.
Okay.
That we legend. Like respect a dog.
Yeah.
Bhuti wami lo wa.
Sure.
Already done? Bhuti wami do.
Okay.
Ngithanda video. Gang.
And then unantsik flash.
Flash.
Yeah.
Oh, so when it comes to Khayelitsha,
Yena la artwork igrand artwork.
ndimhlene pha.
Yeah.
Ndingathi ngibani?
Yeah. Kuba maningathi ngulo ndimlibela olate man lo indaba.
Unoxolo.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's giving age. So yeah.
Bucuma bawe.
Like Cardi B, we're not Cardi B, like Cardi
B knows the Xhosa.
Like sensation, like
sure.
Like nje yonke lento yanga ndinokropho maka it's giving age for hotness. Oh my god.
Okay.
But yeah man, so la sazana mos no flash andisancokola sazana sonke ngisukile we you senza le we you want.
Flash ungowaphi kanye kanye?
Angiwasemthatha, angiwasebhayi.
No man, ngathi
Mazi but yeah dog. Pincha.
And he's doing well cause mkhulu koqala.
Yeah, uyajola ke sana ngoku.
Wena?
Anjol ujona webluke. Oh. Serious. Show me I'm getting blue guys. Daiva ningakayazi baba yajonga. Oh my god, really? Timlunga joli most of the industry. Was ngomuntu uyaposta uyajola. I was like, "Oh my god, what about me, Lord?" Like what about this Tima Sam? So depending on answer yakho nithi.
It could be a difficult thing got to that is outside the industry. Ongaze understand the city. So hamba ngolesithathu.
Yabo. Yazi.
Tuesday.
Yo, yazi kundala najona manje tanga ku industry. I feel like I like that. Yabo. Because understand one person jongs and uzomjola vele xa ngihlukene nomuntu ngofuna uyazi ngomuntu sibhadlalala wonke umuntu ngo.
Yeah.
Like mara yeah, I tried it before but okay ayizangilungi.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Ungalungi uzibabi ngibani fethu andizithethe sezinto because I'm disable fethu andizikwazi thenga. No. Don't ask.
Ungabhetere. That's why Brandy, amazi Brandy no wood.
Uba?
Brandy.
Brandy. Oh.
Brandy mamanyana.
Girl?
Yeah.
Girl? Oh.
Brandy no this long distance.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that for.
Yeah, uphele sticker no manager wakhe.
Yo.
Majority yabantu they don't survive kwabanye abantu except for manager babo.
Yo.
Andithi makuthini ne but sensitsho it would be a difficult thing to understand for umuntu outside.
Yo. Hey. Welele. And like I feel like again I've told Uncle Waffles got to join manager or something like that. Yeah, I'm not sure though. Yeah. Yo. Hi man.
So Spanish and flashy to manager yakhe you know him from.
Yeah, siyazana ngithi sizazana kanje ngehloba okay access especially wesongeni.
Sure.
And then when it comes to ingoma eqhawe and I record kumsayi mosna yeah. I record kumsayi ibeat yakatudle beats. So it was like hi man. Anbiza iqhawe yo nathi nguflash lo. At the exam I say I got this for you man.
Okay.
Sangabe sokolisa wayihle no empty ngala mina.
Okay.
I record at the same time.
Okay.
That wow.
Sure.
That bandithini konke verse lami ke ngoxa kwenze lento. Khona need verse lami. Xa naqoma ndibhala khona na choice.
Yeah.
Ingoma yami.
Okay.
I love you dog. Netalanda umjita. It's very great.
And then Udi yana.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, for your party na.
Yeah.
Away. So babes when uzokwenza le event yakhe ke.
Yeah.
For the culture. Angabikho way much. I'm excited because the lineup is crazy and they're excited for you and okay uzokwenza event. postele way because there's any send record already mosepadeni hlele emotweni yibona khala lengoma posta nje ku status nje ba accept hey man yadingeka man feature kule man I cannot do this song alone yadingeka umuntu odingekayo then wayibona nje kanjalo
sure
wathi let's go yabona tawe show moja sayenza le way wafika pha kuma studio yabo wafika pha kuma studio wathi bana saso record music la mina pha kubhiza angiri
okay
tabhiza because I mean ngathi ngithetha ngala bhiza lo u DJ ayo so dibana naye namhlanje
okay
hi scientific yo I bet my pele podcast ay this goes with so far up ay alenduze yabo saya pha kutabhiza how so recording it
sure
how baby girl ufike wathi bona kesa wava ivesi lami and show what bana man I just want us to chill because angisachilla bo
sure
so akhe kabika we wahlala pha amama nda record yabo ke nda record ivesi lami ndashiya kwenye ndawo yabo nalo ke ndi grand base kaloku mna so sibhanqa yabo I know xa uzamunshasha yabo ezaza wena koduma yabo xa uzamushaya uyamadla hadla yabo
sure
yeah akho we wa record lakhe yabo nalo ke that type of my okay no hold on that type of my that say hi fete yabo into kanje yabo tabhiza so extended verse yabo
okay
lidibelite follow kaka because I know bakuyisenzeka ntoni apho yabo
okay
yeah and so sibhanqa dog
okay
don't fuck with me like that dog that record that extend that bhala kwangala mina that you know what I'm going to extend my verse for le kaka qala pha kuma ebona if somebody phela pha like kuthi qala pha like ithi bana ngenela umarhade that extend apha
okay
okay that extend
sure
because so sidenge mos
okay
hayi well like extend that akazi ngathi makamaye makavi ba iphele pha kulandawo le beyiphela kuyo angayiva le extend way akho way walentusa wa record like wayesinye students abakumnandi kufa hayi nami ku record hayi khona shem yo it was beautiful that baby you fucking killed this shit you killed it
yeah
ndaxa ndikhupha ndimvisi bajonga nazi ngobepheleleyo wakhalaza yabo sayithetha lewe
okay
wakhalaza yabo wathi bana abantu bazothi ndondondondondondoni like I sound like kamnandi ndondondondoni I was like ingoma kabantu ngokuleni so thini ke ngokum
sure
yebo mxana babes come to yazi le ngoma sky post no post
yeah
that don't worry about it right straight right ingoma yami le yabo
sure
zokwenza lento endifunayo yabo
yeah
sanga ipost no post ku Instagram wakhe
sure
I was like it's chilled babes
sadinaqhubelana ngalo mina
hayi ayibo sadibana kufa yesiningome sejave seresa itu namthanda yena namthanda won't lie I like her
you know what with hip hop there's always going to be a Nasty C and Aries.
Yeah, of course.
There's always going to be a Casper and AKA.
I feel like abantu bebekhalela londo when it comes to me and T, but we didn't allow it because I don't want to diss her. I don't want to like beef with her. Naye akayifuna sikhalelani fethu bangibeefa. But it's still like if ingenzeka lonto izokwenzeka. And I'm game. But I say andifuni londo fethu. Emncanya fethu ngisuke ka say one la mate yabo. So
and it would be better each one up the two is better than one.
Two is better than one.
So if no
but sometimes like omnye umuntu I understand lo way ba like say ubone hayi fethu basiyenze le way but I say shayela cable still uthuna umnyumuzi wakho. Yeah, 70 dog.
Okay, so so I was listening and what's the situation at home? Ungumntana wokugqibela from abantwana bangapi?
From abantwana abayi 4. Okay, cool. Mamela so mna sibayi-2 kumama nontatam.
Sure.
Then beko abayi-2 kumama boso sibayi-4.
Sure.
Yeah, and the last born ekhaya.
Okay. Either way tata nakumama last born.
Eh.
Oh, okay, sure. Then the line ethi bana there's nani brother wakho bomkhupha mina.
Yo fethu mntana yo bro. Yo don't talk about it dog like
Okay. Nangabanzi.
Yabo le betitha ngabe bendlila ngayo yabo ngobe ngisiza apha eMtanzania yabo.
Okay.
And I was like, zange ndiwe eqaleni le way, but I feel like yanditya ngoku labo like fethu.
Sure.
I feel like umuntu xa isuleka ekhaya yabo, I always be like, okay, usulekile. Sure much. So semncwabe then ngiphelela apha. Mara I feel like by the time goes on, ezazinto ndizigcina phakathi, I don't talk about it. Yabo. So bamkhupha fethu amehlo into ngikhathaza yileyo ba okay khuthiwe amehlo, right?
Sure.
Mara wabona ngumntana akho omncinci. Wabona ngumntana wakho oqala umbonayo. Khuthiwe amehlo lelibhedini. Yabo. So I was right lamntana. Akekho right fethu akekho right nangoku.
Yeah.
I know uclever kufa.
Yeah.
Clever kufa lamntana but akaziba right.
Trauma.
Because yeah, we traumatized, bro. Like we even tried with social workers, but teacher ndithi guys animshouta lomntana because they were right.
Okay.
They go right.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, yeah, gang.
Yeah.
Away.
I know.
Yeah.
I didn't know, but it
Yo, bro, like yo.
Because I feel like when you write about something, it's
No,
one of
I even cried nanga lami ngona record le ngoma pha then knows which right.
Okay.
So then dalila ngala mina I was like fuck.
Yeah. But
Nenza njani into enje emntwini fethu? Zowenzani lamehlo? Why ndimkhupha amehlo? My two bra. Why would you do that?
Yeah. Aye.
Because brother mbona kayiwana gqibela umbona ndimncinci dog. Sempeni kwazi umbona because wa end up ehleli baxhoseni. Akiri.
Okay.
And then ke wa end up elipharapara dog.
Sure.
So umntana wakhe uKhayone.
Yeah.
Bro wayimtsibisa wamngenisa emrobhise.
Okay.
I mean sisezo zinto. That is why engekho right uKhayone.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Oh my god, ngibona tissue. Akhona tissue apha endlini. My god.
Get tissue Yeah, it's gonna try and get it for you. But when I was going through the catalog, and Eva, do you love song?
Oh my god, you say you will never hurt me. I know, but Paula's favorite album. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, but I wanted to ask because when are we getting an album?
This year.
This year, ne?
Oh, fast. Why? What fast?
Do you think
Mama Ghost.
Okay.
Mama Ghost.
Sure.
I don't know what gone.
It's in progress. Yeah, I'm 80% done.
I would say it's 80%. I would say like it's 92.
82%.
2%. Because just when you touch ups and just see things good. Yeah.
Then good. Okay.
He's on Nikitola paper. He's not in Nikitola paper, Lily. This is a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Goes.
What do you have anyone that you are eyeing in terms of a feature in the near future?
Oh, 10, sorry, and you found a paper.
Do you have anyone that you want to feature in the
Abaninzi good for man.
top 5?
Okay. My God.
Yeah.
I do want Youngster. I do want Nasty C.
Sure.
Black Him. That's 3. I do want paper. Yeah, I do want Maclera.
Sure.
Fuck, yeah.
Yeah.
That's 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's when it comes to Shoma Xhosa.
Oh.
Busiswa. Oh. Yeah, but if I get it, I would even feature my cards in.
Okay.
Featureisha wonke umuntu.
Sure.
Thanga Nqamos.
So what's your dream, Masiti? How many people would you allow to remix one of your songs?
To remake?
Yeah. Mhlambati, let's say Unkunzi. Kozubusiswa. Kozoruj. Nochichila main. And then Ukhanya mhlamba boy.
Yeah, Ukhanya angangena Nkunzi.
Sure.
Hayi, angangena Ukhanya.
What would you say no to from Aban Babisle?
Ubisa banganen. Sorry.
Kuchichila main. Uruj.
Isichila main, sorry.
Uchichila main teni?
Isichila main.
Yeah, okay, uyamthatha.
Nami nimthatha.
or Rudy
I'm Tatu Rujian.
Oh, okay.
Fucking the greatest.
Okay.
Yeah. But I won't not to Louise. Not to Chichi. I'm sorry, Gigi.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think, man. There's a back then it was Ukhanyi. There was another lady, but I forgot igama lakhe eKapa back then. But Mlibele just ngoku. Ukhona intombi kwenye ingoma benikhe ndayiva ubufeaturishe kuyo. I don't know it's a remix Mlibele nje igama layo. Be rapper nayo pha and then yeah.
Oh, take Chirka Flash. Oh
yeah.
Oh, hey, la Chirka Flash leya. Yeah, okay, shame.
Now ngamfaka.
It seems
like there's a chemistry between the two of you.
Yeah, that's my lovey. Love her.
Okay.
Yabo la chomi ngathi bana ichomi yami industry. Rapper. Be careful when it comes to rappers. You can't be friends with anybody.
Yeah,
I choose even no Lizzy no kuhle.
Sure.
I do have a song, but a album. So it's always been these two. I do have a song with KK. I love KK.
Okay.
Yo, no KK.
Okay.
Michal.
Sure.
I know name but yeah, but yeah, I feel like those two no listen. The close now, but again, like sateta fit.
Okay.
It was sateta fit. I video call and you like Jay. I'm on Jay. I'm
Sure.
Even no Buzzley.
Okay. From what I'm gathering, I feel like you are.
I'm a very loving person.
Yeah.
I'm a very friendly person. Like,
yeah.
And the phone is Lusayo, guys.
Sure.
If you not it's fine.
No,
Betunyem. Betunyem. Mna beta unye fet. One bonding beta unye da. Nana couldn't still beta unye dog. Like to release a dog like beta unye da.
Okay. There's a lot of deals and brands that you've worked with.
Of course, yeah.
Which ones are you also wanting to work with in the future?
In the future, oh my God, it's Nancy. I mean, I want to be on TV so much. Okay, guys. So like, hi, developer kumkarando customer role. Yeah. Maneni nchonga, maneni check up on Facebook, maneni bonile because my guys born at the Google TV, but busy na.
Yeah.
But yeah, and yeah, man, because I don't know man's needs. I don't mind like working with brands, man.
So they come from him.
From
yeah.
What's the boss's customer role?
Yeah, this
manager. I am like
So you let her handle it.
Nechomi yake mphathwa pha kule ndoza ku MTN da.
Okay.
Oh my God, no sportscene, Chomika Brian, like, oh my God. Like, I end up breaking manager, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. No, I think here, ufuneka classic, specialist, akavele nje kayo just to come sit here. Akafun. Okay.
But yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, let me. Which brand? Like any phone I work with Samsung.
Okay.
Hennessy.
Sure.
Because I'm a handy babe.
Okay.
Oh my God, it better go clean.
Okay. What's your rider looking like?
What?
Rider.
I'm a handy babe. It's Hennessy, it's Jäger because I good this color nonsense, but I the hood is a dog. It's Jägermeister, it's Hennessy. It's it is cider, brutal fruit. I also want to work with brutal fruit, yes.
Okay.
It's brutal fruit. Like in a shisha because I don't even smoke. But yeah, for a girl, maybe yeah, for in because we addiction. Yeah.
So, also could be album and then you're gonna come back for a tour.
Of course. I've been busy, guys. I'm gonna come back again.
So,
yeah.
No, man, you should, yeah.
Tengana no shayi chika pakum high school. Ay. Nyeri bebe yes in the cool. Tis a crossy da gulo nyaka say 5. The fun and the poxy young ban in the biza o Pikachu. Okay, next time. See, tell me what the why went.
Ikut Aerocast and the phone off. Yeah. Okay, no, you have to go somewhere, ne?
Yeah, we have.
I don't wanna take a lot of your time. I wanted to. I feel like when you're coming back for a tour, you should come here and do
of course
a proper run.
Yeah.
I just need a. Okay, so who's your top 5? National. Let's start it from. Okay, let's start it international.
International.
Yeah.
Yeah, international, bro.
But there's corner top 5.
Oh my God, I'm gonna start with my bae. It's Nicki.
Sure.
Minaj.
Sure.
It's females or everybody?
Everyone.
Oh, I listen to everybody. Like him. It's Lil Baby. Go the baby. But
Yeah,
also like,
yeah.
oh my God, I got a break. Okay, go. 2, it's Cardi B. I love me some Cardi.
Sure.
It's my God, what is his name? Yo, I'm gonna give it to international.
Okay.
No, I must say national.
Okay. No, but national.
National is Nasty C, it's Maclera, it's Bravo, it's Flash.
Sure.
How many go?
4.
4. It's K-Kid.
Okay. Oh,
sorry, I have to mention the gang. I'm so sorry.
Okay. No Stogie Teas, no.
I suited alone.
No. It's based on influence.
Go say what when in Cape Town can you like in the trap like because I'm something about mentioning about Bagochim.
No. I'm just saying in your preference. Aksuba, just because your preference, it does not mean.
But you mentioned 5 Americans, but they need it times 2, 10. Okay. It's okay, man, guys. Maclera.
Sure.
25K.
Yeah.
Rouge.
Sure.
Shamajozi.
Okay.
Makadzi, I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's Cass.
New vest. Yep. Sure.
Oh. You're wrong or don't.
Okay.
6.
So Aries.
No, I don't listen to Aries.
Oh, okay.
But I like him though, but I don't listen to him.
Okay.
It's just like me some nasty, man.
Okay.
So I'm like, because I like nasty things, so I'm so nasty. Yeah.
I don't know, but don't have a beat here.
I see in Zlon to Bentley, never.
Babe.
Freestyle?
No, I wasn't gonna say freestyle.
Oh, didn't beat.
I was gonna say when I drop some bars.
I know. I see in Zlon to Bentley.
You don't drop some bars.
You don't. But I has necessarily done Zenzo's, no.
The phone I got to drop yakho.
Yipi.
Mama.
Come yenza unoyenza wena lonto ithi mama
Kaloku bayenza nguwe kaloku.
Mama.
Yeke kaphinde.
Mama.
Kokugqibela.
Mama.
Yeah, man. I think we're good. You're good, man.
I'm good.
Yeah. You coming back?
I am coming back.
Yeah, it's London. Drop a album. I'm gonna hit you up.
No, kanjani uzoyazi. I mean, like uzoyazi.
Yeah.
So nabulela, guys.
Yeah. What are your last words?
Do you? Or do you take my last words? Those are my 2 words.
Yeah.
You?
Okay, Sharp. Yeah. This has been the NayFul podcast. Still an Ace of Mr. Nation, episode 17. We are out.
Gang.
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Electronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Electronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.